Hey guys, today we're going to take a look at screen routing and what this does and what it's intended to do. And where you'll find it is in the Build Apps, Create App section of the app. Under Build App, go to your Advanced Settings, and it'll be right at the bottom here, Screen Routing. So what this is intended to do is route the screen on first launch of the app. So there's two ways you can do this. Either you can have it routed every single time the app opens. So for example, whenever you click on the icon, it will always go to whatever screen that you pick here. You can see all the different screens in this app. So whatever screen you pick here, say I want it to be the coupon. Every time the app is launched, it will always go to the coupon screen. Okay. If you leave this unchecked, it will always go to the coupon screen every time the app is launched. Here we've got the ability to add a skip information, skip button if they want to skip that screen, and a title for the screen. You can leave that blank if you want. It won't appear. But so in this example, what I've done is I've added coupon and I've unchecked this box. So that means now whenever I open this specific app, the first screen that anyone's going to see is the coupon screen. Okay, then they'll be able to back out and go back into the main home screen of the app after that. But on first launch, that's what they see. If you check this box, this will happen only the first time somebody opens the app. So you have a brand new user, they download the app today, and as soon as they've signed up, it will go to this specific screen. So for example, if you are wanting to ask them to complete their profile, you can have the profile screen pop up here, okay? And then that will go, once they've entered their email and their password, boom, it goes right into the profile screen where they can complete the profile, or they can skip and go right into the app. Really, it only means it's the exact same process. When you check this box, it only does it the first time that someone registers and uses the app. So if they use it today, they download the app today, they register, the first time, boom, it goes to this specific screen. They come back tomorrow, it's not going to go to that screen. It's only going to go to the first time. So that's two ways that you can use screen routing, and that's basically what it's intended for, to route the screens to a specific screen inside of the app when the apps are open. Thanks for watching, guys.